The best decision I ever made when it came to this build was to delegate the design work to Mary's side. Not only did she do an incredible design, she also had a 13-step list of tasks that we needed to do from start to finish to complete the piece.
My inspiration for the design of our table came from all the traveling that I've been doing lately. I've been staring down at a lot of rivers and started sketching a lot of these random squiggles in my notebooks. And one of these squiggles translated into something interesting, and it eventually became the design of this table.
I wanted to involve people with tons of different backgrounds, experiences, to bring as much creativity in the project as possible.
I wanted to be a part of PhilanthroMake because it's not just about giving back to the community, it's about changing life. And as someone who finds joy and happiness in giving, I also want to be a part of something that is giving back and for people to find their happiness.
The event is just a friendly building competition in the woodworking community, and it's an exciting, creative challenge for all of us. There are no limits. You have all the tools you need. You have everything in front of you to make something incredible and something to be proud of. So I think it is just so cool to see so many different people with so many different skill sets come together and make something beautiful for a good cause.
The reason I wanted to be part of PhilanthroMake was twofold. I love the mission behind it, and I love community building. Something special happens when you get like-minded, passionate people in one place. I've had the honor of doing a group build before, so when this opportunity arose, I knew I wanted to be part of one again. Being able to build with friends and give back to two amazing charities at the same time is what it's all about.
This is my third time participating in one of these events with Rubio, and each time they've gotten better and better. This one was so much fun to put together, to be a team captain, and it's for a great cause.
It's such an amazing experience. The community, the friends, people at Rubio, the people at Festool, the people at Shaper, it's just like a family reunion, right? And then everybody's coming together for just one awesome cause.